I just wanted to show you, I'm going to try this eyeshadow with my fingers. One with fingers and I'll do the other one with the brush so you can see the difference. But I just wanted to show you, I think this will be super easy for you. I thought it might be easier to show than to explain. So I'm just going to use one color because I think the one color actually looks pretty amazing when you only do one. You don't need to do all three. You can do three for that kind of dramatic look, but for everyday, I'm just going to do one. I will use the brush to put it on my lid, but you don't have to be neat at all. Just put it on there. Like, as long as you can feel your lid, I think you're gonna be fine. Okay, just see how I put it all on there? And then I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it in. I'm gonna kind of use the same movement that I would use with the brush. Look, my nails came off. And up in the crease and kind of pull out to the side here. See how easily that blends? Oh, love it. And there you go. It's that easy. So I feel like you wouldn't even have to see if you can just feel it. And have the other eye closed. And you just feel inside your crease there and be able to wipe that in. And you're gonna get a nice look. I'm just looking in the mirror to make sure. And you can go darker if you want. Might put a little bit more in the crease. And again, I can just feel my eyeball, stick it in there, feeling the eyeball. And then I'll use the finger to sort of feel and rock and roll. And maybe try to feel so it goes up a little higher. Touch the brow bone. That's not easy. But if I did the swipes, I do the same thing with my finger. And you get that nice, that's one color, and it almost is gradiated across. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye here, but I'll use a brush. And I'll show you what brush I use. So this is just like this fluffy brush with a little tapered there. And I call it like rock and roll because I do circles like this and then back and forth. Both of those movements, okay? And I start here in the crease. See how I'm doing the circle? And then back and forth. Circle, back and forth. And then I'll pull from the side there. Just kind of go all over the eye. And I try to go in the crease and go a little higher, so you're touching your eyebrow and going a little bit above. But it just blends so nicely. I actually really like using my finger. And you can build, you can add more. My eyelashes are a little in the way. It's like basically the same look as with my finger, so it's no better with the brush than it is with the finger. That easy. So I definitely think you'd be able to do this. Hope that helps.